Here on the bottom part of 153 is some information that will be helpful to you, because when you need to write these perfect intervals, there's some tricks or some techniques you can use to make sure you get them correct. For instance, right here we have a D. It says construct a perfect fourth above. Well, the first thing you should do is write a note a fourth above, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4 notes. Well, the line beyond the next line, you could say. So that's a fourth right there. And this is a D, so what is the key signature for D major? It's F sharp and C sharp. G is not involved, so that is correct with a perfect fifth, or perfect fourth rather. So you can check your work that way. You can also count the half steps to make sure you have 5 half steps there. But using the key signature can be a little more precise if you do it that way. Same thing with the diminished and augmented intervals, and that's sort of a further step. They're saying you might need to write a diminished fifth. Start by finding the perfect fifth. A diminished fifth above E, well, we know it's B something, and when we look at the key signature for E major, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, B not involved, so this is a perfect fifth. But there's one more step. We want a diminished fifth. We want it smaller than this. E is our given. We don't change that one. So we lower the top note, and now it's diminished. Start with E. Find a perfect fifth by finding the B above that, and check your key signature, so that's a perfect fifth, and then make it diminished by lowering that top note. And one other little topic we're going to hit here. You can actually have things smaller than diminished and bigger than augmented. Here's a diminished fifth, B to F. The perfect fifth would be B to F sharp. Diminished fifth, B to F. What if it was B to F flat? Well, that's only 5 half steps. It's still a fifth because it's B to F, but that's called a doubly diminished fifth. And we can have doubly augmented things also. Here, C to F natural is a perfect fourth. But C to F sharp, like this one, is an augmented fourth. What if it was a double sharp? Now it is a doubly augmented fourth. Although this is now 7 half steps, it would look on the piano, if you played the keys, you say, oh, it's a perfect fifth. But no, not since it's C to F. That is called a doubly augmented fourth. A little complicated, maybe overly complicated, but it does show up sometime.